Hey, Meister, alles klar? Ja, du, pass mal auf, ich habe eine Frage wegen der Preload da mit den Bearings und so, ne?
Rouven, zeig mal die Zeichnung.
Zeichnung gemacht. Ähm, Nee, scheiße, habe ich vergessen, ey.
Hast du nicht gemacht? Schon wieder nicht gemacht, die Zeichnung? Du musst die Zeichnung machen. Mach eine Zeichnung. Mach eine Zeichnung der Spindel. Hast du die Zeichnung? Nein? Also reden wir später. Mach erstmal deine Zeichnung.
Holy moly, he's mad. I forgot the drawing from this last spindle and I need to talk with him, so I get busy now. Oh shit. I don't like it at all. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
Hey, Rouven.
Hey, what's up?
Are you done with the drawing?
Whew. Yeah, I got it almost dialed down. Like it's like now a little bit dirty. I need to do it again. Really nice, but the first drawing is done. Raffaele, I got it. So it's a thing. What is the most annoying part? Hast du Drawing gemacht? But by the end of the day, it is for all of us better because this takes time. We write it down, and while you draw it down, like drawing, not writing, you understand the function of the spindle. So sometimes this is negative preload in the bearings or the heat extension and so on. And then you understand why, oh, why is here actually a spring? Blah, 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 blah. Like you put it back together, chop, chop, chop. So, and here's the other thing. This spindle we know, it was running like 10, 15 years, big crash, whatever. And maybe we have another spindle, what somebody repaired already. And it only was running maybe 1 year or whatever happened. And we can check the spacers and the preload from the old spindle to the new one, and then we can compare. So that's why important. Every spindle gets a drawing. It need to be in the folder, and we're good to go to compare. And yeah, it saves us time by the end, and the quality is the most important thing by this kind of stuff. Keep your spindles running.